consult about nothing but woman. First of all, you're not in that chapter.
Member say me had upon food for over 5 hours, and for all of the 5 hours me is down upon the call. I beg me if you beg if you go home to your wife. I plan you did that plan for left Chrissy. Member say me convince you if you don't left Chrissy. Dirty man.
Not reason about nothing. For you even say, oh, he said this to me. My girl, you're delusional. You understand me? So
how can you have a side chick and your side chick convince you? Like, me literally have to beg this man. I beg the man for don't left you, woman, you know. Me the pan phone with the man for hours, and the man about and I say, me want left, me miserable, this woman make me sad, me miserable. As me step in the house, I just peer, cuss, me want left. And me convince the man for don't left. Me convince the man for buy a rose, be nice. Whatever. A dirty man, dirty, worthless man. Why you have to call my name now?
Me have to really wonder. Alright, you continue and you state.
Dirty, nasty blood clot, man.
You continue and you state, say.
All use a narcissist.
During the time,
narcissist
we were still in communication
boy.
and I came down there to come and see you. The day the video leaked.
Should be ashamed of your fucking self.
Let's talk about that now.
Not more.
Guys, if you want me to release that part, I'll just post it because I have the recordings. Now, about meeting up at the hotel, yes, we did meet at the hotel. But on the terms of them trying to scam me, the girl like asking, like she don't know you.
Or if you have your wife or your side chick, tell if you don't let your wife, nasty stinking man.
$20,000 because your friend Nakima team up with you. See? For release the video. To be honest, she went ahead and team up with Shani to release the video.
Don't call me blood clot name in your dirty stinking mouth pussy hole. This is why me address this blood clot video, cause you call me name. And you call me name more than fucking once. Why you call me name? Me left past about 1 month, 2 months, 3 months ago. So why my name still a call? Why my name still a call? You see me make no video on YouTube about why you want to mention me in no video.